How can we protect the future of steam? The future of steam is reliant on us as a business promoting steam positively. In the way that we interact with our customers and how we sell our products, we can inadvertently portray steam in a very negative way. So, what do we mean by this? By applying our traditional selling techniques, we have tended to scare the customer by highlighting the problems they could face with their steam system, as well as using unnecessary jargon. If the customer finds dealing with us difficult, then he or she will see steam as being difficult too. To combat this, our ultimate aim should be to ensure that the customer has the best possible experience and feels positive about steam and Spirax Sarco. This may mean altering our traditional way of working and focusing on providing the customer with solutions and accommodating their requests. Listen to how a Spirax sales engineer might approach a customer today, remembering this customer has very little steam knowledge.
Steam traps are essential devices to prevent water hammer in your steam system that can cause pipes to burst, but steam traps will eventually fail. A leaking FT, TD or BPT will cost you a lot of money. You need to check your traps frequently. We can do regular surveys for you to identify leaks and present you with a report on the repair work you need to do. Whilst we are on site, we'll identify all the leaking stop valves that again you will need to repair or ideally replace with BSAs. Air in your steam system will cause acidic corrosion, which will eventually result in an expensive and potentially dangerous leak. We can also look at safety valves and boiler controls because if they are faulty, your steam system could explode.
What do you think this customer thinks of steam? The impression we have given them is that a lot of extra work is coming his way. It will cost him a lot if he doesn't do it. His steam and condensate system is corroding away and possibly in danger of exploding. We've also confused him with our internal jargon. What do you think his impression of steam is now? Not a very positive one. A better approach might be:
a steam trap is an essential yet simple device, but like all mechanical devices, a trap will eventually wear out. In some cases, this can mean a steam leak. The earlier you spot this, the better. We can audit your system and with our specialist knowledge identify leaking traps, prioritise the work and carry out any repairs or replacements for you. Whilst we're at it, we will look for any valve leaks and repair or replace these. As we are on site, we can check devices such as safety valves and boiler controls, which could help with your insurance inspection. We can even discuss a maintenance contract on these where we'd take care of any insurance inspection needs.
We're still able to highlight potential business for us, but in a simpler and more positive way that does not cause him ultimately to consider steam alternatives. We can significantly improve the impression we leave whenever we have contact with a customer by remembering a few simple things. Don't use jargon that the customer doesn't understand. Don't try to frighten the customer into placing an order. We should highlight problems but focus on our solutions rather than the damage that can be caused. Quote payback periods rather than energy wastage costs. Understand the customer's situation and put forward a solution that makes life easier for them. Make steam sound easy. To protect the future of steam, we have to be careful in our approach to the growing number of customers with little or no steam experience. We need to be seen as the company who provides solutions rather than one that highlights problems. It is important to ensure that we deliver to our vision statement. We say we want to be the steam user's first choice provider of solutions for the effective use of steam and related industrial fluids. If we scare the customer away from steam, then there are no steam users to provide solutions to, no matter how good they may be.